Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Edulite YouTube channel. How are you all? Hoping everyone is fine and well. Dear students, today we are going to cover 7th Standard Social Science and History, chapter number 16, First War of Indian Independence, from 1857 to 1858. CE. Let's see the question answers of this lesson. Exercises. First, fill up the blanks with a suitable word. 1. Common Military Service Act was enforced by Lord Canning. 2. The Indian soldier who refused to use the fat-smeared rifle in Barakpur was Mangal Pandey. 3. The mutiny was led by Kunwar Singh in Bihar. 4. 1857 protests were called the First War of Independence by V.D. Savarkar. Second, answer the following in a word or a sentence each. 1. What was the immediate cause of the 1857 CE struggle for independence? Answer. The use of greased cartridges made of cow and pig fat in rifles was the immediate cause. 2. Mention the results of the 1857 CE revolt. Answer. The East India Company was abolished, and India came under the direct control of the British Crown. 3. Which were the states that were occupied by the British under the doctrine of subsidiary alliance? Answer. Hyderabad, Mysore, Awadh, and the Maratha territories. 3. Write short notes on 1. The causes for the freedom struggle. Answer. The British exploited India economically, socially, and politically. High taxes were imposed on farmers and artisans. The doctrine of lapse policy and subsidiary alliance led to the annexation of many kingdoms. Disrespect towards Indian culture and religion angered people. 2. Jhansi Rani Laxmibai. Answer. Rani Laxmibai was one of the brave leaders of the 1857 revolt. She fought against British forces to protect Jhansi. Her courage and leadership inspired many freedom fighters. 3. Bahadur Shah II. Answer. Bahadur Shah II, the last Mughal emperor, was declared the leader of the 1857 revolt. After the failure of the revolt, he was captured and exiled to Rangoon, which is now Myanmar. His leadership symbolized the unity of Indian resistance. So we have seen the question answers in this chapter. If you like the video, please share, like, subscribe, and comment. See you again in the next video. Thank you to all. Bye-bye.